Hello students, in this lecture we will do some questions of Jacobian using our theorems. So that is our example. Verify the chain rule for the Jacobians for following functions, that is u equal to e to the power xy, v equal to e to the power yz, w equal to e to the power zx, and our x equal to r, y equal to s square, and z is our tq. So what is given? First we will write what is given. Solution. Here u is a function of u x y z, v is a function of v x y z, and w is a function of w x y z. Then x is a function of x r s t, and y is a function of y of r s t, and z is a function of z r s t. Then we apply chain rule. Here our chain rule is Jacobian of u v w with respect to Jacobian of x y z into Jacobian of xyz divided by Jacobian of RST. That is our Jacobian of UVW by Jacobian of RST. Jacobian of UVW with respect to Jacobian of RST. We will verify that relation. So first, given that u equal to e to the power xy and v equal to e to the power yz, w equal to e to the power zx. First we will find that part, that is Jacobian of u v w with respect to Jacobian of x y z is our del u by del x. Here our del u by del x is y into e to the power xy, y into e to the power xy, del u by del y is our x into e to the power xy, that is x into e to the power xy. Del u by del z is, it is independent of z, so it is our 0. Then del v by del x is 0. Del v by del y is our z into e to the power yz, z into e to the power yz, and lastly del v by del z is y into e to the power, that is our y into e to the power yz. Then lastly Jacobian of del w by del x is our z into e to the power zx. Del w by del y, it is independent of y, so it is 0. Del w by del z, that is our x into e to the power zx, x into e to the power zx. Then we find its determinant, that is y into e to the power e xy into zx e to the power yz plus zx, e to the power yz plus zx, then minus e to the power xy into, that will be get cancelled, it is 0 minus zy into e to the power zx plus yz, that is equal to y into e to the power xy into this, and here it will this. So here we multiply that is xyz into e to the power xy plus yz plus zx minus plus xyz into e to the power xy plus yz plus zx. Then that will be 2 xyz into e to the power xy plus yz plus zx. Then we will find that Jacobians, that is del xyz with respect to del rst. So first of all, del x by del r. Our del x by del r, here our del x by del r is 1, del x by del s is 0, and del x by del t is 0. So 1 0 0. That is 1 0 0. Then del y by del r, del y by del s, del y by del t, del y by del r is 0, del y by del s is 2s, del y by del t is 0. So 0 2s 0. That is 0 2s 0. Lastly, del z by del r, del z by del s, del z by del t. Del z by del r is our 0, del z by del s is also 0, and del z by del t is 3t square. So 0 0 and t square. That is 0 0 3t square. Its determinant. So its determinant is 1 into 2s into 3t square. So it is our 6st square. Then lastly we find UVW with respect to RS. Then first we will find del U by del R. So here in this relation, U is a function of XYZ. So we will convert U as a function of RST, and V is a function of RST, and W is a function of RST. So first take U equal to e to the power xy. Now our U equal to e to the power xy, and our x value is r and y value is s square. Here x value is r and y equal to s square. So we put e to the power r into s square. So our U is a function of RST. Then next, V is given that e to the power yz, and our y is s square and z is tq. Here y equal to s square, z equal to tq, and v is our e to the power yz. So e to the power s square into tq. Then lastly, our w is equal to, here also v is a function of RST, then w equal to e to the power zx, and our z is tq and x is r. So that is e to the power tq into r. So w is also a function of RST. Then we will find Jacobian of UVW with respect to RST. So here we write again the value of UVW with respect to RST. So our U equal to e to the power RS square, V equal to e to the power S square TQ, and W equal to e to the power TQ into R. Now we will find the Jacobian of UVW with respect to Jacobian of RST. That is equal to del U by del R. So our del U by del R is S square e to the power RS square. Del U by del S is 2SR e to the power RS square. Del U by del T is, it is independent of T, so it is 0. Then next, del V by del R. Del V by del R is our 0. Del V by del S, that is 2S TQ e to the power S square into TQ. Then del V by del T. Our del V by del T is 3t square S square e to the power S square TQ. Then lastly, del W by del R. Del W by del R is our TQ into e to the power TQR. Del W by del S, it is independent of S, so del W by del S is 0. Then del W by del T is 3t square into R e to the power TQ into R, its determinant. Then we will find the determinant value, that is equal to S square e to the power RS square into, that we will goes cancel, so 3 into 2 6 r s tq into t square, that is our t to the power 5 into e to the power s square tq plus tqr, that is our minus 0. So next minus 2sr e to the power rs square into, that will goes cancel, and it is 0 into this value is our 0 minus, that is 3 into s square t to the power 5 e to the power tqr plus s square into tq. So that value is 6 into r ss q t to the power 5 e to the power r square plus s square tq plus tqr, minus plus 6 r ss q t to the power 5 e to the power r square plus s square tq plus tqr. We will arrange this value. So that is same 6 6 12. So 12 r sq t5 into e to the power r square plus s square to tq plus tqr. Then we will multiply these two, Jacobian of UVW with respect to XYZ into Jacobian of XYZ with respect to RST. So Jacobian of UVW with respect to Jacobian of XYZ into Jacobian of XYZ with respect to Jacobian of RST. So this value is, that is 2xyz into e to the power xy plus yz plus zx. So here that is 2xyz into e to the power xy plus yz plus zx, and this value is del xyz with respect to rst, that is 6st square. So into 6st square, 6xt square. So our x equal to r, here we know x equal to r, y equal to s square, z equal to tq. So 2x, put the value of x, that is r, put the value of y, that is s square, put the value of z, that is tq. Then our e to the power xy is, e to the power xy is, e to the power xy is our e to the power r square, and e to the power yz is e to the power s square tq, and e to the power zx is e to the power tqr. Then put the value of e to the power xy. E to the power xy is our e to the power r square, and e to the power yz is our e to the power s square tq, and e to the power zx is our e to the power tq into r. Then here 6st square. So now that is 6 into 2 12 r sq s square s sq tq into t square t to the power 5 into e to the power r square plus s square tq plus tqr. That is same as this value, 12 r sq t5, 12 r sq t5 e to the power r square plus s square tq plus tq plus r, and here also r square plus s square tq plus tqr. So that is the value of our Jacobian of UVW with respect to RST. So that is equal to Jacobian of UVW, Jacobian of RST. So we will prove the chain rule. So any doubt in this example, you will ask me in the comment section. Thank you students.